Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Kia Rio EX hatch, stock reference number 4418. This shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. G4ED 1.6 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. We have the bonnet, which has one small dent, radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror. This vehicle is fitted with 14-inch steel rims. Left front has a good tyre. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has a couple of small dents. Left rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Unfortunately, nothing on the rear end has survived the accident. Right rear 14-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Both right hand doors appear to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 14-inch factory steel wheel with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black center console, manual type, 5-speed manual gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no audio controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.